two more things I'd like to show you. The second to last one being charts. So if we go back up here, we saw that we skipped a couple of things. Components will be covered in a separate training in the intermediate level. So these are more advanced shapes that you will use. But we will take a look at charts, and we will define all of our charts through the parameters options. But there are different types of charts that we can define. So here we have some more components, and then here we have our different kind of charts. So let's show a pie chart in our view to start with. So we'll call this charts. And I will draw a basic shape. And I want a pie chart for my memory usage. For that, I will need some shape data again, parameters options first of all, which we will set to pie chart, the type of chart we want to see. And then we will add parameters because we need to define what we want to see in our pie chart. So here we will go for the elements DMA info. So this is a Microsoft element which monitors our server. And I want to see for the memory usage, which is parameter 100. And I want to see all of my SL processes, which are the processes from the Skyline DataMiner software. Save this. Go to charts here. And we can see a pie chart gets created. And we can start hovering over it. It updates as well. So when the parameter will update in our task manager table on the element, the pie chart will update here as well. So this is nicely styled. You can hover over all of the pies to see their values. So not only can we visualize this in a pie chart, we can also choose some other visualizations, such as, for instance, a stacked area chart average. So this will take average data for each of these, and it will stack it on top of each other. So it will use the trend data from the history. By default, this will be the last hour. But then it will stack all of these pies on top of each other for the value they had at that time. So that's a stacked area chart. Note that you of course need trend data to do this, because if you don't have trend data, we don't have this history. Another visualization we can use is the bar chart, for instance. And I can also show you in the meanwhile maybe a different kind of parameter definition. So here we defined a wildcard. So I put SL and then an asterisk to get all of my SL processes and get the memory usage for them. But say I want single parameters for different elements and I want a chart of that. So I want my output gain for my IRDs visualized. So I can define my first IRD and then a pipe and then my second IRD. And save this. And now we will see that we actually just have two bars in our bar chart because I adjusted this to a bar chart. And they each show the current value of this single parameter. Okay, so those are some nice chart visualizations that you can use in Visio as well.